I feel writer says a make-believe story. I'm not gonna tell you know why me feel so this is a make-believe story. She know say we are gonna find out say Jaden or Mega Mart. And I feel like that's where she pick up Jaden from the 2 weeks. I don't feel she buck up Jaden. Because everybody knows I mean I believe in a coincidence. And you can't tell me say you just ironically buck Jaden 2 days so. Because I'm not gonna tell you why I don't believe what she said. You see if me and I can't tell you no say anyone on in that chat right now. You see if no mother or no father tell you no say where you do down at that park here and your mother drive past and randomly buck up in you see tomorrow you're gonna be very skeptical. Tomorrow you're going to be very skeptical. No picnic. Now make them mother or them father buck them up one spot to the left buck up 2 times in a row. You see if you buck me up today, you're not catch me out there. I'm here hide when me I go there. Me not go there brawling. Because the simple fact that you catch me as up today, when me not fit there, you're not catch me at the next week. Me can't tell you that. You can't unless you have a drone in the ear, you're not catch me back there. So it's either Jaden smart or he's stupid. One of them, but you can't have it both ways. The feel that she come out and talk about the Mega Mart, the little Caesar that the 2 day. It show we half at the Mega Mart of them see him. And them, Peter them pick up Jaden. Yeah, and Peter pick up Jaden. If he says a diversion, that 2 days when she said she picked him up, she did pick him up in her real life. But when she buck him up like what she said. I do not believe that she buck him up like she tell. It was an organized pick up for him them 2 times. It was no buck up like how she said. She tried to say Jaden was trained at 12 days. You tell me say Jaden as what you like say is quiet, he don't speak. And you gotta tell me say him straight 12 days in our new school and him straight. Last night we put up a video with Jaden in my story. We don't know if you don't see it. One video where I always are telling about where me in one class I sing. You don't see that video there? I put up on my story last night. That is Jaden, how tiny Jaden was. Right? That is how tiny Jaden was. So going to a new school, a little person who don't speak to a lot of people. You can't tell me it's 12 days. He might explore the whole of Mandeville. He can des up them pick him up. Tell him to come down and pick him up. Tell him to come down and pick him up. No buck up, no one. No buck up. And then you may go believe say buck up one. God himself have to come tell me that. And so when God tell me, I go tell him say, here where you do now.
Oh, tell that baby to stop crying, I'm gonna get some Garys, right? Hey. I don't want a battle with you. Just want to have a chat. Right, anyway, what's your name? Oi, hey, chat.
Look like a wife here, look at somebody. You don't want back the man. You want to chat with me for? Well, yeah. Right, so what we not say? Oh, me not go play back, hold on. No, sometimes I like add some people and I make them show we are going, but...
Then after that, I end up buck up Jaden. This is impossible. You pass too much shops at Willowgate. Even at the school gate, there are men that sell polish there. Right? If your shoes polish finished and you want that shoes polish, you could have buy the shoes polish all along to Willowgate.
Guys, I'm going to follow the horse, please and thanks.
A following evening after that, I end up buck up Jaden again. I warned Jaden. I said, Jaden, when school over, you need to head home.
Yes.
What I get to understand from a lady at Megamart, she said that she saw Jaden at Megamart on more than one occasion. So what I'm saying to my head, she even turned to me and said that one evening she saw Jaden and a little boy. They were at Megamart and they were even talking about going to Popeyes.
All right. Uno come here. Everybody come back to the front of the line. Uno come back here, so. You sure know say most of we in this chat here are big people. Most of us are big persons. You're gonna start using for them to persons. Uno come here, persons. Come here, persons. Let me say something to them persons. I'm gonna play back a clip, you know. But I want to tell you something. Enough away in this chat here we are adults, right? How many of us adults is going to go into a supermarket and see some little 12-year-old children in there, and we have with ears in a their conversation till we are find out so them are going to Popeyes go buy pizza? How many of we going to recall 2 child in a Burger King, KFC, McDonald's, Lidl's, Nando's, and we can recall, so we hear the 2 little pitney, 3 little pitney, 4 little pitney, so they go buy pizza. How many of us can recall that?
She saw Jaden and a little boy. I warned Jaden. I said, Jaden, when at Willowgate, even at the school gate, there are men that sell polish there.
Right.
If your shoes polish finished and you want a shoes polish, you could have buy the shoes polish all along to Willowgate instead of reach all the way to Top Queens. A following evening after that, I end up buck up Jaden again. I warned Jaden. I said, Jaden, when school over, you need to head home.
Yes.
What I get to understand from a lady at Megamart, she said that she saw Jaden at Megamart on more than one occasion. So what I'm saying to my head...
Hey, no, come here. How much, what was the number of days you said Jaden got school? You remember? You can't remember the days you said got school for? I remember, you know. Crocodile, she named Crocodile. Her name is the Crocodile. Her name is 12 days. 12 days Jaden got school for. Without supervision, we are assuming 12 days because she said she take him the first 2 weeks in a Oh, okay. Oh, no, hey. Listen, nobody will say Jaden not have no name. No, hey. I want to tell people, see the people in my family. They can't talk to nobody else because they're so afraid. The only person they can talk to is family. They're allergic to talk to the public or police. Them very allergic. No, hey, no talk loud there. No talk too loud. No talk too loud. They do. Boy, no talk too loud. Right now, you shock up all the whole of my system. You never remember what I talk to you. When you go mention all the people, no talk, no call you over here. You don't have money for last suit. No, ask them a question there. Them a question too big for you over so them question we can answer.
Jaden at Megamart on more than one occasion. So what I'm saying to my head, she even turned to me and said that one evening she saw Jaden and a little boy. They were at Megamart and they were even talking about going to Popeyes. Jaden is not a child that knows Mandeville that well on his own. So when I hear that, I'm saying, why is Jaden being all around the place and Jaden just start going to school at Mandeville?
Okay.
So it's like Jaden start to follow a company
Alright.
that is carrying him all around the town.
Alright.
So 12 days. 12 days. 12 days. People, 12 days. A child into a new school, 12 days. Start to follow company and get the company and carry him all around the place. Let me see if I can find that video there, because I did put it on the thing the last night, you know. I don't know if it's still in there. Hold on. It's not in there. It's not in there. I did put it up there, man. One picture with Jaden I sing. I don't have a on the phone here. The one with Jaden in the classroom I sing. When I'm up on that one, I stream on. I try to download it to all of the phone, you know. It was on the story last night. It was on the story last night where you see Jaden how little him is. It was actually video, so it wasn't like a picture of him. It was a video, right? And me want to show no thing. Me want to show no the size of the kid we are talking about. Jaden look like a 7-year-old. I got repost it on my status to come over when we come off alive. I got show him that Jaden look like one little 7-year-old. So for him, I walk up and down and I follow a friend and I go buy weed and I do all them things there. He make friend mighty quick. And remember, you know, the hyena say Jaden don't talk much. So I must say, and make them their friend there. So I see somebody down there, so I say, because of them tell we say he not talk much. He's a very quiet child. So how you are going to tell me now, say, in our brand new school, you are going to look for me and tell me, say, this child make friend, shouldn't start carrying him all around the town. Disgusting.
So what I'm saying to my head, she even turned to me and said that one evening she saw Jaden and a little boy. They were at Mega Mart and they were even talking about going to Popeyes. Jaden is not a child that knows mandeville that well on his own. So when I hear that, I'm saying, why is Jaden being all around the place and Jaden just can't go to school at Mandeville?
Okay.
So it's like Jaden start to follow a company
Alright.
that is carrying him all around the town.
Alright.
Something. What happened to the piggy pan? Did Jaden actually take money from his piggy pan?
Okay, so Jaden have a small box that I bought a shoes for Zaire when Zaire came for him to wear to school. Because you know, say, overseas they don't wear uniform. So I bought Zaire a black shoes to wear to school. I gave Jaden that box when he said that he's going to save. I gave Jaden that small box to save him. Jaden came home one evening and he asked me to change some silver, which was about $600, and I changed the silver. He still have other silver in there. So Jaden have $2,000 in the box with some other silver. He took the $2,000 and tell my husband he was going to buy pizza after school. My husband said, okay, because we normally don't cook on a Friday. We either buy pizza or we buy chicken.
You know, someone find the Mr. T interview. Because you hear she say, them not cook on a Friday. So, the question I want to ask that our reptile Mr. T, we don't cook every day in the yard apart from Friday. Why then you think Jaden would need if you come home with box food, make you see him every now and then? Because remember, the guys are 14 days, we come from 14 to 12 days we work with. So Mr. T said him see Jaden come home with box food too. You understand? So we are saying in a 12 days, Jaden book friend, we are buying box lunch and chocolate to take him away. Mr. T's statement was this: Jaden was supposed to go missing from the Wednesday. That is what come out of Mr. T's mouth. So, all of these things I want to tell you happen, they happen in a 12 days.
Pizza or we buy chicken. Because when I noticed that Jaden, something was not right, is when I left the hospital and we came to Mother's to buy chicken. I called Jaden phone because by that time he will be home. Because Jaden have a key, everybody have a key. When I called Jaden phone straight, the phone ring without an answer. Them are turned to me as
Alright. So this is something what we want on to focus on as well. We never asked her not about no key. And the key been significant in this interview. And the key has been significant in a Mr. T interview. I know, I don't believe in coincidence. I'm letting you guys know that from now. I don't believe in coincidence. Mr. T talk about the key and her talk about key. She talk about key twice. And my question to you all, do you guys believe in coincidence and you think that key they will keep popping up as a coincidence? That is a clue.
an answer. Them are turned. Because when I noticed that Jaden, something was not right, is when I left the hospital and we came to Mother's to buy chicken. I called Jaden phone because by that time he will be home. Because Jaden have a key, everybody have a key.
Hey, but you know what happened? You know what happened? I don't want to be unjust to them, you know. But she say she called Jaden phone by that time in a bit warm. That not sound like 9 o'clock to me, you know. Where the hyena say, you know, because by the hyena's account, this should have been 9 o'clock, right? So or 8:30, in it? Because the hyena said she reached the hospital 7:09. Her mother and her father stayed there 1 hour. So that's 8. So right, so should have been 8 o'clock. Jaden school finish 2:30. So right now it sound a bit different to me, but I'm gonna make you listen to it again. Guys, please do follow the host. That is the only way you're gonna get the most.
Because Jaden have a key, everybody have a key. Something was not right is when I left the hospital.